Alright, here we are, just changing the sprocket, the middle sprocket, which I've just unscrewed there. Take the crank off using this tool, and I've just bought a new sprocket. This middle sprocket's done about 40,000 K on the same chain. Probably needs a bit of a clean up through there, but you can see that chain. I'm just basically doing an experiment to see how long this thing can last, because it's lasting very well, but it's got a lot of wear on the rollers, you can see there. So anyway, this is a 32 tooth sprocket after 40,000 K. Let's have a look. Where's that little post? There it is. There's another one there. So you just line them up. And teeth are a little bit askew on the new one compared to the old one, but that shouldn't matter. But if you line up the teeth, you can see how much wear there's been. All my teeth are very pointy, and these ones are, the new ones are not. But interestingly, every other tooth is pointy. Pointy, flat, 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 flat. And then another one here, pointy, which is kind of like how these look anyway. Anyway, I just got this off eBay. You're talking like, what was I think? What's that? €8? €8 delivered? Maybe like $9 US, something like that. I've got a new crankset. I've got a few of them, but just was going to replace it, and then I thought, because this thing's about €35, and I thought, well, only the middle sprocket is gone. If I can replace it for €8, and I'll save that thing for another time. Yeah. So this thing's done about 40,000 K. Quite salty here near the beach, so we get a bit of rust, but there's no slippage on these, so it's only that middle sprocket that's struggling. So anyway, the chainring, I think they call it, sprockets. These ones have also done, if it'll focus, you can see some of them are very, very pointy. The ones I guess you use more. Most of them are okay. Anyway, I should probably change them, but I'm not going to until I get some major slip, just to see how long this can go on. It's pretty cool. Anyway, that's enough of that.